So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na pag-uusapan natin kabola, ang isang medyo slight controversy po pagdating po dito sa PBA Finals. And then pag-uusapan natin, naglabas po ng parang under shallow trade rumors is no bad. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. We start po by reading the comments of the fans. Fernando Panilio, palitan dahil sa 1-9 record, lagi naman ganyan kasi farm team nga ng SMB at Ginebra. Pinamimigay mga picks nila, paano lakas sila. Sabi niya, this is about Terra Firma. Legit na farmer, sabi naman ni Romel Manlangit. Then Malyari Mascarillas, shoutout naman, idol, thank you so much. Thank you rin po. Regards to SMB, hintayin na lang ang development sa SMB, sa new acquisition, new faces, and Greg and JMF will finally play in one team. Sabi niya dito kabola. Oh, that's interesting, no? Pero Sir Malyari, di ba? Ang dami pang sinabi or parang kumbaga predict in the past few weeks. Tingnan mo natin kung mangyayari. Like, mapapalitan yung coach. Sabi mo, kabola, to this point, wala pa tayo nakikitang sign na mapapalitan niya si George Gallant. Raymond Pasqua. Coach Leo, sana sa Magnolia, kaso parang ayaw ni long hair. Coach Leo Austria sa Magnolia Hotshots. Unfortunately, Coach Leo Austria, in the past, kumbaga, parang hindi naman niya kaya mag-champion kung wala sa kanya yung pinakamalakas na team. Pero tingnan natin para i-prove niya rin yung sarili niya, just in case, di ba? Pero may chance nga na ayaw na talaga ni long hair din yan. Kasi alam naman natin, hindi masyadong maganda actually yung relationship ata ni long hair at saka nitong si Chito Victorero. Now, kabola, Cone praises Chot for turning TNT into a mean defensive machine. And actually, I'm really surprised, no? That Coach Tim Cone decided to go to the defensive route in building up this team. Although, nung na-realize ko yung mga personnel nila, tama nga pa naman pala. They have a lot of very good defensive players, kabola. And now, their defense is really, really good, kabola. Although, of course, Ginebra's defense is also really, really good, kabola. Now, gusto ko pala pag-usapan dito sa finals na. Yung schedule, kabola, diba? Pinospond din na basically ng 1 week or binigyan nila ng 1 week na pagitan, kabola. Yung start, diba? And Sunday pa yung natapos, kabola. So, of course, ang assumption dyan, ang mas may advantage dyan is wala nang iba kundi Ginebra kasi sila yung pagod, kabola, di ba? Sila yung pagod. And kapag inisip mo mabuti, di ba pinabilis itong season na ito or itong tournament na to? Kasi nga may paparating po na tournament, itong Gilas. Then bakit, what with the 1 week po, kabola, na difference, kabola, di ba? Bakit ang sobrang haba nung binigay po na chance makapagpahinga itong mga finalists, kabola, diba? So, legit yan, no? Legit yan na question, kabola. Kasi hindi siya in line with the reason kung bakit nila pinabilis itong Governor's Cup, diba? Kasi kung gusto pa nilang tapos, di sana start na nila sana, invest sana na 1 game lang within this Monday to Sunday, nakatatlong games na sana sila, kabola. And that basically is around 3 to 4 days sana na extra preparation for our national team. Diba? Kasi ang coach Tim Cone is in the finals. That is also one of the reason why Coach Tim Cone, the head coach, of course, will not give time to the national team, kabola, kasi nasa finals yung team niya. So now, kabola, yun yung tanong. Bakit nila binigyan ng ganito kahaba po na pagpapahinga? And of course, the answer is because it is Ginebra. Now, one thing is, I'm pretty sure this finals will be very, very, very tight, kabola. And ito asisto ba ito nag-post po siya. Gumalaw na baso ni Rapunzel. Pero gumagalaw ang baso ni Delta. Mas matindi yun. Magugulat kayo mula ulo hanggang paa. In English, from heading to footing. Of course, it's about ito kay Troy Rosario, kabola. Pero ang mas na-intriga yung mga tao, yung paggamit niya ng word na heading. And of course, we know that there is a player named Jordan Heading, kabola, who is already drafted in the PBA. His rights is with Terra Firma, kabola, na pwede po makuha, kabola, ng Converge or target ng Converge. And we know that Heading, the moment he entered the PBA, is one of the top 5 point guard agad yan, kabola. Ganun siya ka-polish na player, kabola. Diba? So, can Converge, of course, acquire him from Terra Firma? That's now the big question, kabola. Pero kung itong Terra Firma magiging smart, they should accept a good offer from Converge. Kaysa naman hindi nila magamit in any way itong si Heading. So, kapakabal sa plagyan mo, mapupunta tayo sa Converge si Heading, comment na po. So, ba?